Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how does Reddit work. Well, if I'm going to give you a very, rough example of how it works, people upload stuff, slash people make discussions, people discuss, they upvote. Basically upvote is like a like on YouTube, and then they downvote, which is like a dislike on YouTube. But if I'm going to be a bit more technical about what Reddit is, let's first dive into Reddit. Right? Alright, let's look at this, like a cute picture of a dog. We're just going to give it allow. So, Reddit is a community-determined aggregator of content. It's a social platform where users, such as this guy, as you see, posted by u/, he's a user. So, users upvote or downvote. This is upvote and this is downvote. Based on if I like it, I'm gonna upvote it since I like this cute dog. I'm not logged in, so I can't really my vote won't count. And if a post gets a lot of upvotes, it moves up the Reddit ranking. There's a ranking system in Reddit and all that. And you have different stuff on Reddit like awards. These awards are people buy them with real money, and then you can give other people these awards. That's about it. So yeah, there's honestly nothing else on how Reddit works. This is very simple, very technical, and I'll be showing you guys on more tutorial on how to Reddit. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, drop a like, and if you want to see more content like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss out any future uploads. With that being said, take care, see you in the next video. Bye bye.